Today I'm here to make your working day easy and tell you all about Philips Ledinaire Panel. First, savings. Ledinaire Panel provides up to 60% energy savings when compared to conventional lighting. The Ledinaire Panel has an efficacy of up to 100 lumen per watt. Lifetime. 50,000 hours make you forget about light maintenance and replacement for a long time. The Ledinaire Panel has color temperatures of 3000, 4000 and 6500 Kelvin. Ledinaire Panel is flicker-free thanks to its driver, ensuring visual comfort. Office-compliant version for better visual comfort is available. Its microprism plate structure creates a diffuse and uniform light. Philips Ledinaire panels are very easy to install. The driver is connected to the panel and it has a quick connector with push-in connections to make it easy. We've included a wide range of mounting accessories to make your application for plaster ceiling, surface mounting and suspension simpler. It's been a pleasure to share with you. I wish you successful results for your next project using the Philips Ledinaire panel.